All right, now last question on this exam. This exam question was the same, the practice exam and the real exam. And it's a fun one. And it's just use integration by parts to derive this formula. And you may say, I don't know what that formula is trying to say. It doesn't actually matter. You just have to use integration by parts to derive it. So the point is, you have to start, for example, that piece, and you have to derive the right-hand side. Okay, so let's say u is equal to x to the n, because that's the polynomial, so that's the best thing to try. And then dv is equal to, wait, this is the way I did it in class. I said v prime is equal to e to the x. There we go. And then u prime is equal to nx to the n minus 1, and v is equal to e to the x. Can't be simpler. Okay, so what was the formula? uv prime is uv minus integral, and then whatever you did over here, you do the opposite here. Right? So we just put all the pieces back together. So we say u v prime equals, then you do these two pieces, u v minus integral v du. That's the other way. Okay, so you put all those pieces together. And that's it. Okay, so I guess there's nothing else to say about that. The only thing that is different in the formula is where that n is. It doesn't matter. It's good enough. But I guess you're wondering, if this were your exam question, then what would I be looking for? So in that case, I would be looking for this formula or evidence that you had used it. So if you very carefully did this piece right here, that might be sufficient. I'm looking to see that you're organized, and it's one of these situations where sometimes showing less is better. It's better to show less if what you're showing is correct and concise, and showing more is worse if you go meandering off into weird places and then never return and don't correct your work. So that kind of is advice for all the questions. And well, I don't know. So since this question number 8 was the same on the practice exam and the real exam, the chances are I'll probably change it for your exam. Okay, but not necessarily. You don't know. It really all depends. So study all these questions and study other similar questions, and you should do pretty well. Good luck.